Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you the easiest way to disable Windows 10 automatic update within some Windows 10 clicks. So first of all I'm going to this PC, right click and going to manage. And now clicking on services and applications and then services, and at the right side simply scroll down and find Windows Update, and it's there, Windows Update. Simply double click. Under the Startup tab you'll be able to find a pop down menu. Simply choose Disabled, click Apply and OK, and from now on automatic update is disabled in your Windows 10, and until you want it will not be updated. And this is a simple way of switching off disable Windows 10 automatic update easily. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.